Finished my gold and black Sisal rug. I am very happy with how it's turned out. I've already started working on it. I started this almost the same time I started that one. So I'm going in here and actually sewing some of these Sisal strands together to make sure that they're all pretty stable. Oh. So right here, you see how this lifts a little bit right there? You can put glue, but I like to sew it first and then put the glue. I couldn't trust to do this with just hot glue because sometimes it will crack, sometimes it just like be brittle and it might just come apart. And who wants to do something and then you find out that, you know, you could have done a better job, but you didn't. So do it right the first time. How about that? I am a strong proponent of that. Oh my God, my lovely husband is vacuuming upstairs while I'm taping this. I should have told him, but I didn't. So I sprayed it all with outside. I sprayed it with metallic silver spray paint. So you would think he would. So I'm just embellishing it with black, I should say just shades of gray. Oh shoot, that's from shades of gray and white and black and whatever suits my fancy. It's important to use like long strokes. And if you end up with a stroke that you don't like, never fear. White is good, right? With another color, mix another color into it. But I try to keep long. Oh my God. Well, I guess I will stop this and come back when he finishes. Oh, it sounds like he's finished. I'm vacuuming now. So. Okay, never mind. This is not gonna work for my audio, so I'll come back when he's finished vacuuming. I didn't expect him to vacuum. I was gonna vacuum, but the vacuum was giving me trouble, so I asked him to fix it. So I guess he fixed it because it's working, so I can't complain, can I? So he's finished vacuuming. So I may continue. Just dip it in a little paintbrush and paint in a little bit of water. And make long strokes like that. I painted the other one gold and brown and bronze, and yeah, but I've not used or painted one dark gray or black, so. Okay, so like I said, this can take me like 500 more hours or 2 months, depending on how much I feel like doing. I absolutely love it, people. Sisal, I need to put, that's very much silver, but Sisal handles painting very, very well. That's the bottom side. I have the non-skid surface on the bottom. There is a part that I need to re-glue though. I think it's right there. But yeah, I'm in love.